See, and guys, if you want your friends to really love talking to you all the time, they want to be around because you have the latest gist. It's not even about your clothes, not about what you're wearing. It's about your what? Your mouth, what you say, how you say it, how you package the sentence. You understand? You will be what? Irresistible. They want to be around, you know, when you're coming with them, like they'll be like, oh my god, you're already here. Oh yeah, give me the gist, because you have the right words to say. And you're not even going to sound only smart, you're going to become irresistible. Should we give them our secret?
No.
We should not tell them how it used to be, Abby. No worry. But yes, that's why I came with my personal friend, okay, to give you this gist, to give you these pretty phrases that will help you do that. And I'm so excited to be live, to be here with my very special friend Rhoda. Rhoda, it's so nice to finally get to do this video with you. I mean, like, I'm so excited for today, but hold on, okay? We're going to break everything down for you. First of all, introduction. Half my people, welcome back to your one and only channel with cold robo and a sharp taste of what? Atarodo pepper. Yes, so in this place we bring you the sweet gist. We give you content that has gist, content that carries weight, you know, and we all do it in Pidgin English. So I don't only teach you how to speak Pidgin English, I bring you the vibe, I bring you everything to help you grow, level up, and become the best version of yourself. Yes, if you need to watch the video on how to sound smart in Pidgin English, please do where to go and watch it. And today's video, I'm so excited because I'm going to be breaking down 5 Pidgin phrases that will make you sound irresistible to your friends. And you know, I'm always irresistible to you, Abby. Sure. Yes or yes? You see, so this first Pidgin phrase I'm going to give you, we are going to give you in short, yes, sure. Because we're in this together. We are in this together, no lies, okay? So this first Pidgin phrase is for when, before the gist begins.
When there's hot gist.
Hot pepper soup gist. Hot atarodo. Oh my goodness, with cold zobo.
Ah, shit.
So before the gist comes to life, before the gist finally actually begins, what's the first thing you say? Waiting soap.
Very important.
Very like waiting soap is the Pidgin word to use immediately. Anytime I just using like this, and I'm like, I don't have something. I told her something on the phone. Like, I'm coming, I'm going to give you the gist. Immediately when I get there, the first teacher, waiting soap. Give me the gist, you know. And I'm already like, she's already like, give me the gist.
I know there's gist, so
yes,
soap, like,
you know,
drop the computer.
It's energy, okay? So before an update drops, you use waiting soap. And they'll be like, oh my god, she's really ready for the gist. Like, she's really ready for the gist. So use it next time, okay? Anytime you want to have a conversation or you want to do apropos amiibo. Gist.
Okay, so this second phrase on the hot phrases we've been dropping.
Exactly.
The second one is the phrase of I get you. Like, for instance, in a conversation, and the conversation is moving, you want to be sure that the other person is paying attention.
As in, like you are listening.
I get you.
I get you. Like, I get you is a particular Pidgin phrase to use. At that point when we say she don't talk, or you don't talk, I get you.
I can relate to this matter
totally. That is the word to use. So I get you is a Pidgin phrase you want to use to spice up that and to show that you are actively listening, to show that you are involved, that you like you understand, and small emotions join and be I get you, depending on the vibe. Yeah, but I get you is a Pidgin phrase. Number 2 Pidgin phrase. And what's number 3 Pidgin phrase? Let's find out. Yes, you see this particular Pidgin phrase,
very important
because there are some days you will just feel blue. I don't know whether it's feel blue or be yellow, but there are some days you're just on a very chill vibe, you know, on a low maintenance vibe. That just like you're just calm, okay? It might not be that you are sad or maybe something else. Maybe you're
not so sure. And things like that.
There's no energy like that, and it definitely happens in friendship. Okay, if that one does not happen, that means your friendship is fake. Fake, sour.
You need to fix it up.
Or maybe one person is faking it, you know.
Yeah.
So what's that particular Pidgin phrase that you use?
Maybe like, sure we are going out today. I'm like, anyhow,
like
mix up on certain things. You're not so sure. You are a bit withdrawn.
Yeah.
The other person just has to be the vibe, because at this point we are not in for the vibe.
Yeah. So that at that point that person needs assurance. Okay. So sometimes I might tell my friend that anyhow, you're like, oh yeah, well, as long as we're hanging out,
more they go.
Someone needs to stir up the water. Someone needs to stir up the water.
At that anyhow moment, you need a friend that more they go.
Just shut up your mouth and let's go, okay? Because at some point, I'm definitely one person is going to feel down. One person is going to feel like I don't really feel like, girl, you know what? You have to force the energy out.
Bring on the vibe.
I would say do oblate if you are doing anyhow
now.
But although that anyhow just makes you be assured that okay, this kind of person I'm hanging out with, okay, so you know when to come in to bring in your energy and your effort, because friendship is also about effort.
And people have down days too, so on those down days is the anyhow days.
It's the anyhow days, and then that pidgin phrase is important, okay?
Yeah.
So anyhow, that's the pidgin phrase to use. This is my most. See, out of all of these phrases, number 4 is my favorite. I don't know what there's something about number 4 phrases for every of my videos I use.
You're too emotional.
I know,
honestly,
right?
Very emotional.
I know. This particular phrase is to show support.
Yeah.
Loyalty test. If your friend has ever used this pidgin phrase for you, how far? They need to check the friendship. Or if you have never used it for your friend, are you sure that person is really, really your friend?
You need to check this friendship.
You need to check her. You need to go hospital. Now, this particular pidgin phrase to show loyalty, to show your endless, unending support to your friend or to anybody around you, okay, that makes you feel irresistible. What's that word, Rhoda?
I deal with you, my guy. When you say the word "I deal with you," the person gets instant comfort. Imagine the person is going through a hard time. And
I'm already feeling the emotion now.
Don't worry, I deal with you. Like the person gets courage that my friend is always here.
Exactly, guy. And you know, anytime this particular pidgin phrase is used, it just shows your loyalty. It just shows that you're loyal to the friendship,
and you're always there for the friendship. That's just it.
We don't need to over explain this one. This one is vibes on check.
Yeah.
I deal with you. Loyalty, vibes on check, okay? Use it next time. Use it in your conversation.
Confirm the friendship.
Confirm. Confirmento. We are finally wrapping up gradually, but we cannot live without dropping this banger pidgin phrase, because this I saved the best for the last. I always do. But if it's your first time watching my YouTube video, you're welcome. I didn't tell you, like I didn't say it before, and I'm really, really sorry. Okay, so let's give it a quick drum roll. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Welcome.
Yes, this is the place where we speak pidgin English, we vibe, we do everything, we express, and we build our self-confidence through pidgin English. This particular pidgin phrase is for loud days, when something is loud. When they say something big gone, like big something happen, it's huge, it's massive, baby. It's massive, baby. This pidgin phrase, it just shows like you're happy about that situation. Okay, more like celebratory energy vibes on check, hype man, like we just hyped you down, you know. So this
pidgin phrase, it gives you confidence that okay, this thing is worth celebrating. It's worth something that calls attention.
Definitely, it commands attention. What's that particular pidgin phrase? Let's say it together. 1, 2, go. Loud. Let's do it again one more time. Loud, like it's really loud. When something is big, you know, when it's a big deal, you say, "Oh, this is loud though. It's loud. We need to celebrate this." You can also even use it choke. It choke.
Really choke.
Your friend will
calls attention. It brings your attention to the situation.
Irresistible. Irresistible.
The matter loud.
It makes sense. And when you're in that circle of friendship, there's supposed to be wins to ensure that you're aligned. Okay, I mean, how can you be in a friendship and there's no win? There's nothing happening. It's just there. Now, wow,
there's no loud day.
It'll be like rice without stew. Or even
unsalted rice.
Oh God, that the one that was talking with that rice they don't put salt.
Yeah.
So loud is a pidgin word to use when something exciting happens. When something big, something gigantic,
something that gets your attention,
something that makes you very, very excited. You're like, more loud. Okay, so use this particular pidgin phrase. You know, pidgin phrase is all about expression. Okay, the way you carry yourself. So if you observe
and all.
Oh God, I feel.
You feel what?
No, don't worry. I don't feel anything. It's just the word.
And with these, we come to the wrapping up of
come to the end. Video. This is super story.
Super story. Wow. So pidgin English is not just language.
Tell them.
It's language, it's emotions, it's vibes, it's everything put together.
It's expression. What do you mean? Expression. Express yourself. You know that expression attachment. Expression, because when you make that decision, you just be loud, center of attraction, everything.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you really enjoyed this video and if you watched to the very end, please do well to leave a like on this video. Please hit that subscription button if you're yet to do so.
Subscribe, please.
I mean, like,
please.
You want to miss out
subscribe.
vibes like this, vibes on vibes. You know, we don't teach people English only, okay? This one will change your social life. It will change how you relate to people. I'm giving you the real gist, the real thing, the cold zobo and the atarodo pepper all in one.
Important.
Because confidence, all of those things, vibes on vibes need to be on check. So you have to go back and examine your friendship. go and re-examine your friendship. 2026. Mo buy scissors.
Check the friendship.
Mo buy scissors. So guys, we'll see you in our next video. I think except you're here. So we will anyways. Bye guys. Have a blessed
Christmas week.
Yes. I don't know. By that time, maybe when I post this video, Christmas will don't pass. But anyways, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Does your mic go on? Okay. You be the record now.
You just recording.
What the fuck? Oh my god! We was not recording since I was waiting all of those places. You go again.
Moment of truth.
This one is emotional. Thank you so much, Rhoda. You are amazing. You're amazing.
What do I want to do for you people?
Let's welcome to the stage